This spectacular 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home boasts over 3,500 finished square feet. The inviting front porch and professional landscaping welcome you inside. This exclusive home has stunning updated flooring and a sought-after open and bright floor plan. On your right is the formal dining room that connects directly to the kitchen with its large windows and crown molding. On your left is the first of 3 nice-sized living spaces. As you enter further into the foyer and access the short hallway to the second living space, notice the beautiful gas fireplace, detailed white mantel, large windows, and French door with access to the backyard. The kitchen is located adjacent to the living space, making it perfect for entertaining. The attractive stainless steel appliances, crisp white cabinets,